Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are having a good time with your mommy and papa at home. So today we are going to see how to make pinwheels. In the evening when you get hungry, what does mama give you? Some snacks to eat. Now you have holidays, so you can make your snack by yourself and give your mommy and papa too. I'll show you an easy snack. Pinwheel is basically made out of chapati. So when you, on the day you want to make pinwheel, ask your mama to make few more chapatis for you. Before we start with the chapati, first we have to make the dressing for the chapati. So I have some mayonnaise. I have some vegetable green mint mayonnaise also. So you can use any of these, or if you do not have mayonnaise, you can also use some butter. I'll take some mayonnaise in the bowl first. For the dressing, I have to put on the chapati. I'll take some plain mayonnaise, and then I will take some green mint mayonnaise. And I'll mix it. Now I will put some chopped vegetables in it. I have already pre-chopped some capsicum, some tomatoes, onion and cucumber. Now do not chop by yourself. Ask your mummy or papa to chop it for you. We shall put some chopped capsicum. We shall put some tomatoes in it. We shall put some onions. And you can put any other salad also that you have at home. Whatever is available. You can also put some sweet corn in it. It tastes yummy. I didn't have sweet corn, so I couldn't put it inside. Now we shall mix it. And our dressing is ready. Mix it very well. If you do not have green mint mayonnaise, you can put some salt, pepper, any kind of taste that you would want in it. Mix, 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 round, 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 and the dressing is ready. Now, the main ingredient of pinwheel is a chapati. I have already cooked the chapati. Ask your mama to cook it for you. Whenever she is making chapati, she can make some extra chapatis for you. Now we'll put this dressing on the chapati. Spread it nicely, put it as much as you want. Spread it nicely. This is a very healthy snack. Chapati is made out of wheat, which is healthy, and we are using all different kinds of vegetables, which will give us good, strong body. Now we are going to roll this. We'll roll it like this. Now, into a roll. Now, if you have silver foil, you can use silver foil. Put the chapati in it and roll it up tight. But if you do not have a silver foil at home also, you have thread, stitches, right? So you have this thread. Take small piece of thread. I already cut it and washed it. After you take the small piece of thread, wash it properly with water. If you don't have the silver foil, you can also use a thread to papa and enjoy this. Okay? Share some videos when you make this, share some photos when you make this with us. We'll be very happy and waiting for it. Thank you. Bye bye.